Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Wonderways. This video presents the making of a pickle recipe using the red plums. Plums are to be considered as superfoods as they are rich in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. This recipe follows the Indian style of cooking with few of my ideas. So let us look at the ingredients used. 1 kg of red plums, 2 teaspoons of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 2 teaspoons of chopped green chilies, few curry leaves, 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, half teaspoon of roasted and powdered fenugreek, a pinch of asafoetida, a pinch of rock salt, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Here we start with heating the pan on medium. Pour in the sesame oil and allow to heat. When the oil is heated, add the mustard seeds and allow to splutter. This gives a good aroma to the pickle. Now add in the chopped garlic, ginger and green chilies. Mix them all till the raw smell goes away. Add the fresh curry leaves and sort them all together. Sort them till they turn to light brown in color and you can feel the crisp in them. Now either switch the flame off or turn it to low heat. Now let's start adding the spices. First the turmeric powder, then the red chili powder. Sort them well so that the spices are roasted perfectly. Then add in the fenugreek powder which is previously dry roasted. Now add the asafoetida powder and also the salt according to taste. Fenugreek and asafoetida are used to give the authentic taste of pickle and also to serve as natural preservatives. Here comes the time for the main ingredient. Add in the plums, mix them all together to coat the plums well with the spices and oil. Now set the flame to medium heat and allow to cook. Cover the pan with a lid to fasten the process of cooking. The whole cooking process takes about 15 to 20 minutes. In between, you can open the lid and keep mixing gently to get it done perfectly. You can notice that plums are getting mashed and releasing the fluid content. So we continue the cooking process till the fluid gets thicker. Now this is a secret tip from my side. Add 2 teaspoons of brown sugar and mix gently. Coming to our last ingredient, add lemon juice, mix well. I use lemon juice as a healthy alternative to the synthetic vinegar. We are almost done. Stop the flame and allow the pickle to cool for some time. After cooling, store in an airtight container. It stays good up to 2 weeks at room temperature and much longer in case if you refrigerate it.